Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to test something that has been going around on YouTube, and that is using DEF, diesel exhaust fluid, on your lawn to green it up. Now people say that's the cheapest source of nitrogen. Let's go over some of the math, and we're going to compare it to actual liquid fertilizer. This is an 1836 from Pendleton Turf Supply. Same size. This is 2.5 gallons. That's 2.5 gallons. To this, we're also going to add some liquid iron from Southern AG. This is a gallon jug. And we're going to be using the backyard to test it out. So I marked out 3 plots. Each of them is 10 feet by 25 feet. So we have 3 250 square foot plots. And my backyard, the grass here isn't anything special. I don't really take care of it as well as I do the front. I think the only thing I did to it this year was put down my regular pre-emergence. And then like a month ago, I threw down some weed and feed. So we're gonna do this plot here with the actual liquid fertilizer plus the iron. This plot in the middle, we're not gonna touch. Nothing's gonna be added to it. And this plot over here, we're gonna put down the diesel exhaust fluid. And today is Monday, so we'll give it to Friday. And we'll see what kind of results we get. So first, let's go over some math. Let's see how this actually does compare to a regular fertilizer. Okay, so real quick, we're just gonna go over some basic cardboard mathematics to see how the prices of these items compare. So the DEF I picked up today at Walmart was about $16, 2.5 gallons equals 320 ounces. Comes out to 5 cents an ounce. Now from some of the other YouTubers that I've saw, these are the recommended spray rates. A low rate, 9.5 ounces per 1,000 square feet mixed with a gallon of water is 0.1 pounds of nitrogen. Comes out to 47.5 cents. Medium rate, so 0.15 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet comes out to 71 cents. High rate, 19 ounces of the DEF comes out to 95 cents per 1,000 square feet. Here we have the actual fertilizer, the 1836. Now that right now on Amazon is going for $92 for this 2.5 gallon jug. Now this jug's lasted me a couple of years. Same thing, we have 320 ounces, but the price comes out to 28 cents, 28.75 cents per ounce. The recommended application rate is 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So we're at 86 cents with a little bit. So right here, we're falling in between this ballpark, between the medium application and the high application. Now I'm not quite sure how this translates to pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet, but if you look at it, we're also adding other nutrients. We got phosphorus, potash, so potassium, copper, some iron, manganese, zinc. So you're adding a little bit more than just nitrogen to your lawn. Now if we add in the liquid iron, right now it's going for $35, 1 gallon, 128 ounces. So it's 27 cents per ounce. They recommend 16 ounces per 1,000 square feet, which comes out to $4.36, 39 cents per 1,000 square feet. So if you use both of these products together, we're looking at $5.23 per 1,000 square feet for an application. If you just use the liquid fertilizer, it's 86 cents per 1,000 square feet. While the def, depending on how much you want to apply, you're at 47 cents, 71 cents, 95 cents per application. So let's actually see what the results are going to be after we put the product down. Alrighty, let's mix up the def and let's see what we do when we spray it out. I'm going to go for the medium mixing rate, which was the 14.25 ounces. And I'm just going to do, even though I'm only doing 250 square feet, I'm just going to mix a whole gallon. I'll pour the rest off in the compost heap just to keep the math simple. Okay, here we are. 14 ounces. Pour that in. Gallon of water. Now again, like I said, I'm making a 1 gallon mix, which should be for 1,000 square feet. I'm not going to use the whole mix. Only about a quarter of this is going to be used for the 250 square feet. Just wanted to keep it simple. Do easy ratios. So we got our sprayer on. If you have one of these sprayers, it's good to practice laying out and walking out pacing 1,000 square feet so you know roughly how much to spray. So there we go. Of course, you know, you want to wear the proper PPE. Got my spraying shoes on. There we go, first pass. Now obviously you want to do this on a day that's not so windy, so the stuff is actually getting onto the grass, not all over you. And from what I saw in some other videos, they recommend to water this in right away. So we'll do our final pass, grab the water, spray down this area. All right, so after that, we should have 3/4 of a gallon left, which we approximately do. Let's do a couple quick passes just to make sure we're being fair. That's our duff down. I'll go water this in. I'll repeat the process for the other plot where we're using the actual liquid fertilizer. Okay, we're back. We have 3 ounces for our liquid fertilizer. Toss in the tank. Along with 16 ounces of our iron. And with that, gallon of water. So this also will make a mix for 1,000 square feet. So I'll go spray that plot. That's for this test, and then I'll just use the rest of it somewhere else. And same thing, we'll put our top on, screw it on, put our sprayer on. find the hose because it's behind us. There we go. And we'll do the same thing. We'll do an application of 1/4 gallon of this mixture onto this blot. And keep it fair. We're not using any surfactant. It would have been a good idea to add some surfactant in there. But let's keep this test raw. Liquid fertilizer versus DEF. But another pass should do it. Quick little double check. We are, yep. So we used up what we needed to. So, like I said, today is Monday. We're gonna see how liquid fertilizer will stack up to DEF. This is our control plot. And you'll see that now. And we're back. It's now Friday, so 4 days since we did the application of the DEF and the liquid fertilizer with the iron. And I don't know, maybe it's because we had a lot of rain this week, but not really seeing much of a difference here. So we did like the medium application rate of DEF here. This patch, we applied nothing. And here we did the recommended rate of the iron and liquid fertilizer. And I don't know, you tell me. Looks pretty much unchanged. No clear difference. Yeah, maybe we'll come back to this next week. Maybe there was a little bit too much rain. Maybe later on in the summer we'll retry this experiment. Let me know in the comments. But these are the results of our little experiment here. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and take care.